In this video, I'm going to show you how to create database in Postgresql. So here, as you can see, now I'm in pgadmin. So this is the tool I use to work with databases, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create different databases, the different ways to do this. So as you can see here in the left side of the screen, I have some databases, 7 of them. So what if we need to create one more? There are two options I will show you. So the first one is just to create it with the help of without any commands. So to do this, we need to find the databases and then just click with the right mouse right here and then just go to create and then just go to database like this. So here we need to input our database name, for example new db1. So then we can go to definitions, try to change some encoding template. Honestly, if you want just to work with database, just to practice, you don't have to change any settings. And what is interesting, in the last page SQL, we can see the SQL code to create with database. So here we can see like 6 lines. So after that, we just need to click on save, and as you can see, our DB was successfully created. There's also another way to create database. Just use the SQL code. So to open this page, we just need to click on this query tool like this, and now after our coding area will be open. So now we just need to input the necessary command, which means just to create a database, and now after that just input the name, for example new db2. So just and then just execute the code. So just click on execute. Query returned successfully, yes. And now we can try to find it. To find our new db2, we need to refresh our database. So just click on a refresh, and after that we can see our new db2 was successfully created. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Open this playlist to find more tutorials about PG.